Okay, stop. Don't make me blush in here. All right, guys. Charting session. So we were right about part of the week. We were right about the push up and then the retrace. However, we never inversed the 4 hour. We never inversed the 15 minute. So now we've just been slow grinding all day. Honestly, price action was terrible today. I don't know if you guys agree with that, but I feel like price was bad. at least PM. No trading, just a charting session. So we literally we're waiting all freaking day for the Amazon earnings high to get hit, and it never got hit. Which is annoying. And then literally right after market open, we got this inverse and we ripped the data high. So that's super cool. We just waited all PM to see if that would get hit, and finally did. We took out the data high for the ISM candle, took out the Amazon high, and we've just been blasting through all these gaps to the left. One thing to note now. Move this. Actually, earlier during stream, we said that if we closed above this 1 hour order block, that's what would send price to the data high. So we called that out. I'm going to remove this order block now because we don't need to see it. Basically, the only thing that I can see right now of worth is like this 1 hour. To see if price hold is held down here. So I'll mark this. Sibi. And look, we just been getting order block after order block up. Like, this looks crazy bullish, chat. We got this, Amy. You know what's funny is before we started this, Amy made a joke and was like, "We're going up." Like, that's pretty much what the charting session was going to be, and she was right. We are just basically going up, chat. I don't know. Like, this is a lot to go through. I can't lie. You know what? Let me take a look at ES and see if we can get more of a story painted here. So I'll go to the 1 hour on ES and NQ. Wow. Okay, so both look pretty much on pace to continue going up. Shocker. What I am interested in, though, is obviously, like, we always see resistance when we get to this last gap before the high, right? So I know we're in this 1 hour now. Ideally, we chop around in here, generate buy side, and tomorrow we look for, manipulation dump and look for a long up. At this point, unless Trump says something dumb or news sparks something, I think I'm terrified to take shorts. Low key. So Amy just said we have speed bumps up, but potential new tariff stuff on Friday that was delayed from last week. So again, we're going up quite a bit, but what I do like is all these lows down here. So, we still have good targets below, but we're clearly bullish. So, We apparently have perfect equal lows side by side here on the hourly. I didn't see that. And the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Yeah, you're right. So I'll tell you, I think that 23,616 is our draw right now. And I think once we sweep this high, I'm interested to see what happens. That's where I think we're headed at the moment. Is 23,618 ish here. Once we take out this high, we'll see what happens because we got this big giant BPR here. That didn't work. Here. So, like I said, we got this good LRLR like this, and this, and this. This is really stair-steppy. So, it's not like if we get bearish news, there's no targets. Like, we definitely have good targets below. So, I'm open to anything here. I have this marked as DOL without a question mark because I'm more confident on this being the draw on liquidity than this was when we marked it. Yeah, I don't know what else to do besides wait for a manipulation down and take it long. That's it. Like, I like to do these charting sessions because I like to locate points of interest, areas of interest. Well, right now, every area of interest is just pretty much any bullish gap. As soon as we tap any bullish PD array, just look for a long. That's pretty much how I feel. Like, and I don't want to sit here. And the thing is, we're so bullish that what am I going to do? Sit here and draw out, 7 30-minute bullish gaps? No. I have to just, I'm more interested in drawing out bearish gaps than bullish gaps right now because I'm more interested on finding areas that can slow price down, which, I mean, the bullish gaps are easy to spot, right? But, yeah. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, obviously, if we inverse this 1 hour, I'm bullish to here, but I'm kind of already bullish to here before we even get that far, so. Yeah, this 1 hour is a really nice 1 hour. I mean, it's technically a BPR. So it's a BPR that knifed through a bullish BPR. See this? It's a bullish BPR or a bearish, bruh. It's a bearish SIBI that knifed through a bullish BPR and has a bearish order block on top of it here. So, yeah, I do like this 1 hour to maybe hold price down for a bit. Gosh dang, the daily is like, we're just flying, dude. Unemployment. Oh, is that tomorrow morning? 4 hour looks goofy. 4 hour 4 hour looks like an aggressive bullish trend. That's what the 4 hour looks like to me. Holy, it's just like taking giant steps up. Did we ever hit the weekly Bissy below? Let's see. Nope. See, that's why I had this low marked, is because I thought that this low right above this weekly Bissy was the draw on liquidity, but wrong AF. What up, big dog? So yeah, I expect to see. Yeah, we're bullish. I know. I hate it. So I expect to see, obviously, some buy side get generated inside this M60, and then hopefully we can try and look for longs. But obviously, this is going to change a lot by the time we all get up to trade tomorrow. Yeah, man. I finally figured out how to get the camera to work through my Streamlabs and Discord, so I was like, I'm going to do a charting session just because of that. Yeah, and the thing is we're just so bullish. You might just have to like, you might just have to not be so picky about that. I would rather unemployment claims sweep buy side than dump. But hopes and dreams is not the same as what'll actually happen. So but yeah, I think that's gonna do it for now. Dream scenario obviously would be like this 1 hour holds, but we generate a bunch of buy side, and then the highly unlikely event that we get a drop down in a discount and then maybe get a long setup. AM session have anything worth taking? I think there was what the heck? I think there was a good setup. I can't remember. I didn't trade AM. Oh, I think there was a 3-minute. I think there was a 3-minute this morning. Yeah, honestly, this I would have taken this. Just like for a quick 30. Right at the macro. See, like, dude, this sucks because there's like, what did we sweep? You know what I mean? Like, what did we sweep? What are we delivering from? Basically nothing. What, this tiny little gap right here? Like, I don't know. I don't know how you. I don't know how you feel confident getting in something like right in here when it's just within this little range still. Yeah, this is ugly as hell. Like, I don't know. I don't feel like today was good, to be honest. I really don't. Wait, 1M midnight. Midnight open, y'all sleeping on it? I just never use it. Here, what? Let's see. Let me go ahead and mark it. Midnight open. So that's here. She told me I'm sleeping on it, but I'm like, dude, I'm a noob, okay? I don't use this stuff. I'm not that smart. Okay, well, I'll leave this on my chart for the whole day tomorrow and see what it does for me. I'm just not the greatest at doing chart markups. That's why I like doing these charting sessions because wait, for the next week? What? So I got to put a date on this? It's like an N-Dog, N-Wog situation here. Damn. Wait, 8-7. It's 8-6 for us, but wait, what do you mean no? I'm so confused. You just Oh, okay. What the heck is happening? Chad, I just look for inverses. I don't know what, like, time is barely of the essence. I'm just kidding. I'm confused now. Yeah, I know. It's the communication's good, but it's how good is it when only one ever understands? Because I'm always lost to shit. I'm always all right, chat. I don't want to hang on here too much longer. I'm ready to chill out and get ready for bed. But yeah.